Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Puina and welcome back to Puina's Tech Light YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show what Python is and how to install Python in Windows 10 operating system. This tutorial is for beginners and new to Pythons who wants to know something about Python and install Python into their Windows operating system to start learning Python. Well, let's start. First, I'll show you what Python is and Wiki. So Wikipedia the is the one of the best place where you can get the informations almost about anything. So when I type Python, so we can see the programming language. So this is what we are looking for. So I'll just click on that. Well, Python is one of the most popular and widely used scripting and programming language in most of the organizations today. Python came into existence back in 1991 and it was created by Guido van Rossum. Okay, so this is the guy. If you want to see the picture of him, this is the guy, intelligent, smart guy who gave Python to us. All right. So so this is about the creator, and Python is a integrated, very high level general purpose programming language. And in today's world, why most of the people have started Python is because it is a open source, freely available in the market, so you don't have to pay anything for using the Python. Secondly, to elaborate on that, if you're getting something free, which means open source, which is competitive and even better than the one that has got price. Obviously, people will choose which is free and which is competitive, and even which could be better than the one, uh, the one which has got price. And if that is the case, then why should we buy, right? So that is one of the extension. And the next point that I would like to use is that Python is a very strong and powerful programming and scripting language in today's world. In most of the artificial intelligence, like robots, right? So in those things, Python is very popular and used to program, to code, right? So that is another reason. So there are many reasons. Okay, so you can go through this Wikipedia page if you want to know or learn or interested about Python. Okay, so there are lots of things available in this, so you can go through, and also you can check in the Google. So there are lots of stuffs about Python available in the Google, in the internet. Okay, now let's jump on to next agenda. How to install Python, okay, on Windows operating system, right? So we can download the Python from python.org. This is the official website, right? There you go. This is the home page of the Python. And if you click in the downloads, so this is the latest version 3.7.3. Okay, so I will show you guys how to install Python 3.7.3 in Windows 10 operating system, and also it applies to all the Windows operating systems but not to non-Windows operating system. Okay, so let me click on the Windows, and you can see there are lots of versions. Okay, but for now I have to download the latest one, which is 3.7.3. There you go. So my Windows operating system is 64-bit and I need the executable one, so this is the one. Okay, so when you click on this, it will start downloading. Okay, so when I click on this, then it starts downloading, right? But I have the operating system already. Okay, sorry, I have the Python downloaded already, and I have kept it in the desktop. All right, so where is that? Let me have a look. Okay, this is the one. All right, so now first I will check in my system whether I have got Python installed or not. Yes, there is. Yeah, it's downloaded, but it's on the desktop but not installed. Okay, so we're good to go. So in order to install, just you need to double click on this icon. It's a executable file. Okay, so there you are. So the most important thing that I would like to point out here is that you don't forget to check this add Python 3.7 to part. Okay, this will add the part in the Windows so that you will be able to um, work with Python, which means in order for the Python to operate correctly. Okay, so to be usable in simple, because in older versions we need to define the path after the installations. The good thing about the new versions is that so they have integrated this stuff, so it will do automatically for us without involving our manually adding the path of the Python. Okay, so this is the install now. So I'm going to install everything, and this is the part where the Python will be installed. Well, let me click on this. Okay, so it has started installing. One more thing I just want to point out here is that the installations methods in non-Windows is different than the Windows operating systems. For example, in Linux, CentOS, okay, and there are other operating systems which is not Windows, so they have their own ways. And the good thing is that how to install the setup process, everything is available in Python official website, so you can go there and you can check out. And one more thing I just want to mention on that is that Python it has got a very good communities all over the world. So if you have any issues or something like that, you can just get support. There are some good sites in the internet available where you'll find lots of communities. Okay, and you can register, and whenever there's a requirement or need assistance or help, you can put questions, or you can find old threads or something like that. Okay, well, coming back to installations. The installation is successful now. Okay, all right, good. Next thing is I just want to show you part on the CMD. We can check in the CMD the part. Okay, so if you say click on the part on the command prompt of the Windows, you can see here Python 37. Okay, this is the part. Okay, so it has been installed, so it's a good thing. The next thing is I will open the Python idle. Okay, so when I click Python, so you can see now lots of Python icons, apps available here. Now for now I'm going to go to the Python this one idle. Okay, this is where you're going to do all kind of coding, scripting, and so on. Okay, so this is the idle Python shell, and it is shamed to all the versions, including the all 2 version 2 series. Okay, now let's check whether this Python script really works or not. Okay, let me just write a very simple code. So let me just define one variable a. Okay, and I just want to add the value 3. Okay, it has stored. Now let me define one more variable b, and let me just give 9 as a value. Okay, now it has stored. Now let's see if we add a and b, how much we got. Okay, it's simple, a plus b, and there you go, because we have got 12, right? Now Python is working, and this is not where you will do the programming, but for learners you can use this one, this idle shell, but for the intermediaries and even the learners and the professionals, they will use this one. Okay, so you can click file and new file. Okay, so you have to write codes here, or else you can use other sources which is available on the internet like Sublime, Notepad++, then the PyCharm is also very widely used, or else it's your choice. Okay, so let me just write very simple code, same as I have shown you on the idle shell. Well, I have given again a for 3, then and for okay, b for okay, this time I will give 12. Okay, let me just print out and let me do addition again, a plus b. Okay, so this is the syntax. Okay, I'll not go too much in depth on this for now, but let me just show you whether it works or not and how to save the Python file. Okay, when you click on the save as, so it will automatically save as a .py file. Okay, you see here Python file. So let me save this onto the desktop. Okay, for now, and I'll just write first script. Okay, there you go, and I will say okay, let me add one more thing, print. Okay, hello world. Okay, and then followed by the addition. Okay, let me just run this. If you want to run, click on the run and run module. Okay, there you go. See, hello world is printed and the value addition of n b15. Okay, this is the value you get after the additions. Well, that's all in this tutorial video. I hope this will help to the new learners, to the beginners, and if you really like the video, please do like the video and subscribe the channel. If you have any queries or concerns, you can leave the comment below, and I will review that, and I will get back on your queries or concerns. Thank you so much. Puina here in YouTube channel, Puina's Tech Life. Bye for now, and see you.